Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I am going to be doing an olive tone smoky eye. I did a poll on my Instagram and I asked you guys what you guys wanted to see there, and I put smoky eye olive tone or a simple eye with a bold lip, and a lot of you guys are voting for the smoky eye. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna sit down and do it. And I'm actually kind of inspired to do this because I feel like olive tones are kind of in. I don't know why, I just feel like they're just a really nice color to do, and I don't think I've ever done a smoky like olive tone eye. I've been looking on my Instagram and I don't see any. So let's just go ahead and get started with this tutorial. If you guys are new to my channel and have not subscribed, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification to know when I post another video. Oh my god, I feel like that was kind of hard to say all at the same time. If you like this tutorial, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below, like that YouTube know you guys are into my content, and make sure to let other people know about it, you know, because YouTube is just really weird lately. I don't even get like subscriptions about any people that I'm subscribed to. Like, I don't get notified, so that's just really weird. I went on and I added a 24-hour brow setter from Benefit Cosmetics. I added it on my brows because I wanted to get a little bit hard. For my brows, I am going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen. I have been loving it. It gives you like that micro bladed look on your brows. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on this, let me know and I will do it for you guys. I've been wanting to do a tutorial on it because I feel like it's just such an easy product to use. It's just very time consuming, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my brow. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier. I just got this concealer and I just really liked it the first time I used it, so I want to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. This is their Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer and I'm in the shade 2N. That's the one that they sent me, and I actually really like it. So we're going to be using it today for our base of our eyes and making sure that we clean that brow a bit. For my eye look today, I am going to be using the Milk Cosmetics Gemini palette. I feel like this palette does have like those olive tones that we want to use, so I'm going to be using these tones right here. It's just a perfect palette for this. So I'm going to go in with the shade Leo, which is this shade right here, is a dark one. I'm going to be going in with that. I'm going to be packing that all over the lid and make sure that we get that. And just pack that all over. It's super pigmented, you guys. So you guys are going to see how beautiful this palette is. I don't want to bring it in all the way to the crease because we're going to slowly blend it in with another transition color. Grab a little fluffy brush and I'm going to go in back with Leo and make sure that I kind of blend the edges off a little bit so it doesn't seem too harsh. I want to say that whenever you're working with these kind of shadows, it's always going to seem a little bit muddy at first because the color that it is. But once you start blending in the colors and just add all the colors that you want, I'm going to be grabbing the shade Fire OG, which is this shade right over here. I'm going to be grabbing this shade. And we're going to be using that to blend the edges out a little bit more with a bigger fluffy brush, and just make sure that we just get that and blend it all over. And I'm also going to be blending it in all the way to my inner corner. Now with another fluffy brush, I'm going to be going in with Mochi, which is this shade right over here. I'm going to go in with that one and just kind of blend in all the edges and make sure that it looks very nice and seamless. This palette has the most amazing colors for an olive tone eye look, and I just thought it was so pretty. So I really wanted to use this today for this eye look because this is basically all you need. You don't need so much. 3 shades and that would be nice just to get like a nice blend. Not know, I did post my holiday gift set 2020, the best of holiday gift sets. Those are just some. I'm pretty sure more gift sets are coming out, but I picked some that I like. So if you guys want to check that out, I'm going to be linking it down below so you guys can check out that video. So with the little pencil brush, I am going to go in with Bonnie, which is this black shade, and I'm going in with that to add it to the inner corner just to kind of deepen it a little bit more. And we're using this pencil brush because we're going to just kind of blend it in and buff it in with Leo. So we're going to just go ahead and blend this in. And I'm barely tapping into the palette, so it's just adding a little bit depthness into the eye. I'm tapping it in there and then slowly kind of going back and forth to blend that out. Now I'm going to go in with my House Laboratories eyeliner in Punk, and we're going to go ahead and just line the eye here just so we can have a base for the lashes. For our mascara, I'm going to be using the Maybelline. This is their Falsies Lash Lift. So we're going to go ahead and just coat our lashes really quick. Went on and I put some lashes off camera. I did use the Robert Christie and the Pure Cosmetics. This is in Lovely. I love these lashes and I've been using them every day lately. I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier concealer again, and I'm going to be just adding it to the bottom here just a little bit so we can get a little bit of kind of like a base for eyeshadow. I don't really like going in and adding the shadow straight to my bare skin, so we're going to go ahead and just add a little bit of concealer. Basically what we're going to be doing is the same thing that I did to my top eye. I'm going to be doing it to the bottom. We're going to just kind of add this to the lower lash line. And with the blending brush that I was using to blend my eye, I'm going to go in with Fire OG and Mochi together. I'm going to be going in with Mochi and Fire OG just to blend out the bottom of the eye here. Now I'm going to go in with my House Laboratories. This is the Gel Kohl Eyeliner. And this is the one that blends very, very nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and be using this under my eye here. Ooh, that is really black. And since this is the type of eyeliner that blends, you want to grab that same brush that you used to pack Leo. And I'm going to be blending a little bit of the edge off of that eyeliner, just so it doesn't look too harsh. And just to add a little bit of an inner corner moment, I'm going to grab Gold, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to be adding that to the inner corner. Just kind of slowly tapping that in there and just adding it like this. You can see what a big difference that does, and it just makes the eye look complete. So we're going to go ahead and add it to the other side. Primer, I am going to be using the Laura Mercier. This is their foundation primer. So I'm going to be adding primer to my face. While I let that sit in, I'm going in with my Urban Decay. This is the Lash Freak Mascara. I love this mascara for my lower lashes. It just makes my lower lashes stand out even more. So I'm just going to be going in with this mascara while we let that foundation primer sit in. For my foundation today, I am going to be using the KVD Vegan Beauty. This is a True Portrait foundation, and I'm in the shade Medium 39. Just make sure you guys always shake it before you use it. We're going to go ahead and add a little bit of this to the face. I really need to wash my beauty blender, you guys. It is so dirty. This foundation is super lightweight, so it just feels very thin when you put it on, and it's super easy just to kind of blend out. Just realized that my cat scratched me the other day. I think it was either this morning or today, maybe last night. I don't know what happened, but she scratched me, and I just realized that now that I was like looking at myself in the mirror. Why do we even have cats if they are going to hurt us all the time when you just want to give them love? You know what I'm saying? Now with the same Laura Mercier concealer, I'm going to go ahead and conceal under my eyes. And just make sure that we get that concealed right in there. And we want to make sure that we don't blend to the eyeshadow because we're going to mess it up a bit. So you want to kind of go in a little bit under. Went on and I'm setting in now with my Laura Mercier setting powder just to kind of set the concealer. I don't want to set my whole face because I am going to go in with my Maybelline. This is my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Cafe, and it's in the shade 50. And I love this lately to kind of contour my face. I don't really like cream contouring, but I've been liking it lately because I found this and I thought it was a really, really good shade for me. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of add this on the places that I want to kind of contour. It also feels like a bronzer to me, so I kind of like that it gives me that warmth. I'm just gonna go in with my Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Hulu bronzer. I'm just gonna kind of set that contour a little and just make sure that I blend this in and set it with this bronzer. I'm gonna go in with this House Laboratories. This is a Head Rush palette, the blush and highlighter palette. I'm going in with Untamed, and I'm going to be adding this to the temples of my eye here and then the cheek down area. Now we're gonna go ahead and set the face with the Urban Decay setting spray. What do you guys think of this look so far? I am actually pretty obsessed with it. I normally try to add a little bit of shimmer to the lid, but you know what? Let's just do all matte and then the inner corner make it stand out. But I really, really like it. I kind of want to do a bold lip, to be honest. I'm not going to lie. I kind of do. So I'm going to try to do that. And I do have this olive tone lip color, and I thought I wanted to use it today. I haven't used it, and I've been having it, and I've been needing to use it, and I was waiting for the fall time to use it, so I am going to be using it today. First, I am going to be going in with this e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is a Retro Paradise, and this is in a shade, I think this is number 3. I don't know if they still have it, to be honest. And it's like a brown lip liner, so I'm going to be using this as a base, basically, before I put the olive tone lip. You guys don't have to go in with a dark lip. That's on you guys. If you guys want to do like a lighter lip color, you guys can. But I wanted to do it the olive tone. I just thought it would be really cool to do. So I'm going to go in with this. This is a Carity, the mattes. And this is in the shade Matcha Gracias. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. I've never really tried this, so I'm really excited to use it. Ooh, it's so green. Like I said, you guys don't have to go with a dark lip. I'm just trying it out, being kind of creative and different. And I actually really like it. I know a lot of you guys might not like it, but I really do. So to finish off this look, I am going to be going in with my Milk makeup. This is their Flex Highlighter, and I have it in Lit. So we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of glow to this. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this look. Maybe the bold lip is not for you, but you can go ahead nude. But I really wanted to try that lip, and I was like, why not try it in a video? Thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. If you guys are not following me on my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, go ahead and follow me there. And I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.